Alright everybody, I'd like to share these three 1/16 scale military kits that I picked up from Andy's Hobby Headquarters. I've had them for a while now. I just don't have no room to build these kits, maybe the Jeep, but figured I'd share this briefly with everybody, what I picked up from Andy's website. The Stug, I'll walk over here. Stug I picked up first. Probably about a year ago. Never opened up the box to take a look on the inside, but I've had it for over a year now, or close to a year. The Stug is really cool. I just haven't gotten around to working on it. I just don't have the room. Now the Jeep, I pre-ordered that. That came in the mail probably about, I don't know, maybe close to a month. Comes with the figure. Now I'll probably go ahead and build this Jeep, make room somewhere for put it on display. The one I've been waiting for is the Sherman Easy 8 tank. It does come with a figure. Andy came up with this idea and actually had it worked with a bunch of people to get this out on the market. It's going to be an awesome build. Always liked the Sherman tank, and may pick up another one down the road. Build a couple of them. I think the tank is just awesome. I have an idea for this tank if I get around to building it. I haven't done any reviews. Like I said, I just don't have the room to build them, so I just haven't gotten around to doing any reviews. Now on Andy's YouTube channel, he has built several of the Sherman tanks and painted and weathered them up, and they look really cool. He did also do the Jeep, and he did the Stug. I want to build all three of these down the road, but like I said, unfortunately, I just don't have the display room for these kits. Like I said, I'll definitely will work on the Jeep. That's what I want to start with, and then either do the Stug or the Sherman tank. I like to pick up another tank, but for right now, I figured I'd share this with everybody. All three kits are still available on his website, and I figured I'd just share this with everybody. It's going to be a quick video of what you can get on his website. I'll come back out here a little bit more so everybody can take another look. They're all awesome kits, 1/16 scale. If you wanted to go that extra mile with the tanks, you probably buy an RC kit and get them to work. I'm not going to go that far. I'm just going to build them and display them. But I figured I'd share this with everybody. Like I said, I got the Stug first, then the Jeep, and then the tank. Like I said, I haven't popped the boxes open on any of them to take a look on the inside. When I get around to doing the Jeep, I'll probably do a review. Same with the other two tanks. Like I said, Andy has built all three of these on his YouTube channel, and he does an awesome job. I appreciate what he does for the community and for the hobbyists out there to come out with these. He's coming out with another tank. I think it's a King Tiger tank. I'm not sure, don't get me wrong, but I think that's what's on the table of what next kit he's going to come out in 1/16 scale. So I'm going to go ahead and call this a wrap. I'd like to thank everybody. Be safe out there. I'll talk with everybody later.